10 amazing facts about octopuses. 1. Masters of camouflage. Octopuses are experts at camouflage, capable of changing their color, texture, and even shape to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This ability helps them evade predators and ambush prey. 2. Incredible intelligence. Octopuses possess remarkable problem-solving abilities and are considered one of the most intelligent invertebrates. They can navigate mazes, open jars, and learn from observation. 3. Elastic bodies. Octopuses have incredibly flexible bodies thanks to their lack of bones. They can squeeze through tiny openings and contort their bodies in various shapes, making them highly adaptable to different environments. 4. 3 hearts. Unlike humans with 1 heart, octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood to their gills, while the third circulates blood to the rest of their body, delivering oxygen and nutrients. 5. Jet propulsion. Octopuses move by expelling water through a muscular funnel, allowing them to jet propel themselves backward at impressive speeds. This propulsion mechanism enables swift escapes from predators and agile hunting maneuvers. 6. Remarkable vision. Octopuses have excellent eyesight and can distinguish colors and shapes with precision. Their eyes are complex and similar to those of vertebrates, indicating advanced visual capabilities. 7. Short lifespan. Despite their intelligence, octopuses have relatively short lifespans, typically living only 1 to 2 years. However, some species, such as the giant Pacific octopus, can live up to 5 years in the wild. 8. Ink defense. When threatened, octopuses release a cloud of dark ink into the water, creating a distraction that confuses predators and allows the octopus to escape unseen. The ink also contains chemicals that can dull a predator's sense of smell. 9. Solitary creatures. Octopuses are primarily solitary creatures and prefer a solitary lifestyle. They typically only come together to mate and sometimes even engage in cannibalism if they encounter another octopus. 10. Complex communication. Octopuses communicate through a combination of color changes, body postures, and tactile signals. They use these methods to convey aggression, submission, courtship, and other social behaviors.